What's going on, family? Black Phoenix checking in with you early on a Saturday morning. Just want to give you a small update for those who follow me. Go check out the Fabricator.com magazine. They release blogs. They just written a blog on me. It was released today, and it's under the title of Still Building America. They did a great article. Like I say, I enjoy sitting down talking to them. Actually, for me now going back and reading it, it really helped me a lot because it gave me time to really reflect on different things that, how I grew up in the relationship with my mom, and my mom been passed now for a while, so she haven't seen me get to this level. So it just made me sit back and reflect and just be thankful. So for those who follow me, I'm gonna leave a link inside the description so that way you can check out the article, man. Leave a comment, say something, share it on Facebook. It's on Facebook, LinkedIn, whatever you do your social media on. I think they put a link on different sites so you can be able to check it out. But like I say, I just wanted to thank them again. I wanted to thank all of those who have been following me, supporting me, getting their hog on with me. Man, I appreciate it. And like I say, man, it took a while to get here, and I'm humble and I'm thankful, and I'm most definitely glad that I endured. Hold on.